sixth year of eligibility, so Rowe and Brown will be around here tussling for this position at least through next year. But that's something that Caleb Rowe, that throw there that he missed to Nigel Kane, you can see it. That body language is, he's just bummed about that. He missed that throw. And
that was a good one. That was a game changer for sure. Renfro caught the ball to whistle again. Three penalties and 4 downs.
First little bit of stress I've seen on Randy Edsall. Talks about body language. He's getting a little frustrated.